Hello, this is Dr. Leo at LeTime. With weather getting cold, cinnamon becomes my best spice to be used to make a cinnamon flavored coffee and also the cinnamon flavored apple cider. Cinnamon not only has its warm and aroma, but also has many medicinal benefits, including anti-diabetes, antioxidants, a help to clean the gum, and because of its strong antibacterial and antifungal properties. In this video, I will explain how to make the cinnamon hydrosol and how to use it. So what makes a cinnamon so special? In the phytochemicals, the cinnamaldehyde, that is the simple chemicals exist in the cinnamon, especially the cinnamon bark. That brings the cinnamon bark's flavor, aroma, and even many of its medicinal benefits. However, when you choose a cinnamon essential oil, you gotta look at what is the source or what is the material or part of the plants being used to extract. Cinnamon essential oil can be made from cinnamon bark, cinnamon leaf, and even the cinnamon fruit. From the phytochemical angle, they have a different composition from these three different plant parts. Cinnamaldehyde, as we talk about, it mainly comes from the cinnamon bark. Eugenol is a major chemical from the cinnamon leaf. So when you are choosing the cinnamon essential oil, the bark oil has the most cinnamaldehyde, and that brings its symbol, the flavor, and even the most of the medicinal benefits. In this video, I demonstrate you how to make a cinnamon hydrosol and even essential oil by doing the steam distillation from cinnamon bark. I'm using the chopped cinnamon bark, and it's just purchased directly from the vendor. It's perfect to be used for steam distillation, and by doing the distillation we make a very milky and even see a layer of oil floating on top of the hydrosol. And this is a perfect hydrosol we can use as a flavor additive to our drinks like a coffee and the apple cider, and also you can use in your cooking like making the cinnamon roll or other flavor adding to your meal like meat. So when we're using this very strong cinnamon hydrosol, you actually want to dilute it before we use it. Because it's so strong and so many the oils floating in the hydrosol, that actually is kind of too potent. Dilute it and even separate it by using an oil hydrosol separator to separate the oil out before just using the hydrosol. By using the cinnamon hydrosol to make a cinnamon flavored drink like apple cider or coffee becomes so easy. Just add a tiny spoon of the cinnamon hydrosol into the drink, and the flavor is way stronger than using the cinnamon powder. So when you are preparing the winter drink, try the cinnamon hydrosol. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you learned something about cinnamon and its essential oil and how to use the hydrosol. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.